We've got time for one last caller. Marcus from Melbourne, welcome to the show. What's your question for our panel tonight?
Hi there. My question is actually on behalf of my wife. She's currently been offered a car package with a new promotion that she's just got, and we were wondering whether it was a good idea to take that as cash or whether to take the car as part of the package. Everybody seems to suggest that you take the cash.
It depends sort of a question because it's going to depend upon the taxable income of your wife at the moment and what bracket she's in. There used to be a grid incentive to salary package cars in the past, but because of the way the tax rates have moved over the years, in actual fact, although cars are still concessionally taxed for fringe benefits tax purposes, which was surprising because I thought of all the environmental areas that the government would want to attack, that would be it, to encourage people to stop driving their cars around the block to get their FBT down. But I think that the key is that you have to actually, these days, actually do what's called an employee contribution to make that tax effective. And it still can be, when you run the numbers, even on someone on $75,000 a year, it can still be tax effective even with a large amount of private use. But you have to do a few sort of number crunching calculations. And the other thing is too, do you want the car or do you want the cash? I mean, that's, do you need, if it's a second car, do you really need a second car? Or do you want to take the cash now and, use that for other means, whether that's to put on the mortgage or, you're going to pay tax on it, obviously, because it's going to be normal, ordinary income. But as I said, I think it's two questions. It's weighing up what you need. Do you need a second car or do you really just need the cash? Or if you do want the second car, then you would have to do some sort of employee contribution type of arrangement to make the fringe benefits tax lower.
We're going to finish off the program.